Think adult acne is rare? Not really. It's way more common than you think. Hi, I'm Dr. Manashwita, a certified dermatologist, and today let's talk about what causes adult acne and what you can do about it. Number 1. Hormonal havoc. Hormonal changes, especially an increase in androgens like testosterone, boost oil production, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. For women, acne may flare up during periods, pregnancy and post-pregnancy or due to PCOS. For men, high testosterone and stress often triggers acne on jawline, back and chest. Number 2. Stress signals. Stress increases cortisol, a hormone that makes your skin oilier and more inflamed. Lack of sleep, work pressure and poor habits can make it worse. Number 3. Products and medications. Steroids and certain birth control pills and even some makeup or skincare can clog your pores. Always look for non-comedogenic labels. What helps? Sleep well, eat clean, stay hydrated. Use gentle and non-comedogenic cleansers with active ingredients like salicylic acid, benzyl peroxide, niacinamide and retinoids. And remember, for stubborn acne, dermatologist prescribed care works best.